you guys, it's Tangie with Boots Beats Line Dancing, and today I'm going to teach you a brand new line dance called $5 Cover Charge. So this goes to a song that was just released today, actually, July 2nd, 2026. It's by Nuke Bushner. Okay, let's go ahead and start section 1. This is my 12 o'clock. We're going to start with a kick ball change on your right side. We'll go kick ball change, and then we're going to do a full spin over our left shoulder on our right foot. So we're going to spin backward on our heel if you can, and then we're going to do it again. We're going to go kick ball change. This time we're going to do a half spin to 6 o'clock. Section 1 to counts. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. If you can't spin on your heels, for example, if you're wearing Fuegos, it's kind of hard, or tennis shoes, so you could always just do a kick, ball, step, and spin. Kick, ball, step, and spin. Section 2, we're going to start with a step lock step going forward, and then we're going to half turn over our right shoulder. How that goes is a step forward on the right. We're going to lock the left foot behind the right. We're going to step forward again on the right, and we're going to hitch the left as we turn over our right shoulder. That foot's in the air. We're going to do a step lock step again. Left, behind, left, and this time we're going to do a step. So only one turn, the first one. So it's a right, left, hitch, left, scuff. Yeah? Okay, to count 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the top. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. So you just scuffed your right foot. Use that momentum to go out to the side with the right and do a sway with your hips. And as you sway back, we're going to use that momentum to triple step over our right shoulder with the full turn. So it was a sway, triple step. And of course, I got to do the left side. So we're going to sway out. As we sway in, we're going to triple step back over our left shoulder. Okay, so that's a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Note that we're back at 12 o'clock. Okay, so we're going back to the top. We're memorizing 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're ready for section 4. We're going to step back on our right. We're going to hitch our left foot, and as we do, we're going to hitch it wide and set it down. Now we're going to put our weight on the left, and we're going to hitch our right. We're going to hitch it wide, but this time we're actually going to do a quarter turn to 3 o'clock before we set it down. Okay, so that was a step, hitch, quarter turn, and to finish that 8 count, we would rock back on the right, recover on the left, step forward on the right, and pivot. Okay, let's go over that again. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 sections. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We made it to 9 o'clock. All right, guys, so after we turn to 9 o'clock, this is your last section, section 5. We're going to do some lindies. We're going to go right and left. So we're going to chasse right, right together right. We're going to back recover on our left, rock back, recover. We're going to chasse left, left, right, left. We're going to rock back, recover on the right, rock back, recover. Bam. Those are all 40 counts, but before I get ahead of myself, let's go ahead and do that 5th set to counts. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put all 40 steps together. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Bam! Okay, the tag. So the tag, it's actually just one tag, but the second and third time that you do it, you only do the first 16 counts, okay? So we just came out of a Lindy back recover. We're gonna stomp and hold. As we hold, we're gonna clap, and we're gonna go right into a sailor. It'll be a left sailor. Left sailor, we're gonna do it again. Stomp, clap, sailor, step. Now we're gonna step together, step to the right, right together, right together. We'll go to the left, left together, left together. And the first time we do the tag, this little 8 count is in there. We're gonna step forward on the right. We're gonna do a half turn over our right shoulder as we step our left foot back. We're gonna go right into a right coaster, okay? Now we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna step forward on the left. We'll do a half turn over our left shoulder, step back on that right foot, and go into a left coaster step. Left coaster. All right, so that was a 1 turn, coaster, step, left, then turn, coaster, step, or 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And like I said, you only do that 8 count on the first tag, which is actually right after wall 1. But let's go back to the start of that tag. So we had just did the Lindy. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah. So the second 2 times you do that tag, it's just going to be a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start right back at count 1. Let's see, what else? Oh, restarts. So there are 4 restarts. Just due to the musicality of the song and the phrasing, there had to be 4 restarts, and I definitely recommend that you watch our demo video because it does lay it out exactly where they are, and you'll understand why they needed to be there. So the first one happens at 3 o'clock, the second one happens at 6, the third one will happen at 12 o'clock, and the last one will happen at 9 o'clock. That's it, you guys. Have fun. $5 cover charge. I'm Tangie with Boots Meets Line Dancing. Thank you for joining me.